In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. If you like multitasking on your smartphone, this feature is perfect for you. Begin by opening any app you wish to use in pop-up view and launching it in the background. When you're ready, tap on the icon of it available at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. You can even reshape it. In order to minimize your app, you can tap on Home button and then access it by clicking on the bubble. To close it, simply swipe it in the background. But here's something I discovered while testing pop-up view on the different Samsung devices. You can actually click on this icon at the top, the blue one you use to move your window, and access all of those options. Click on the first one and switch all of those options to always be visible at the top right corner. By clicking on this line, you can minimize your app. To go back to your window, click on it. By using this one, you can tap on the second app and use both, this time in split screen view. To go back to pop-up view, use the same line at the top and click on this pop-up view icon. To use your app in full screen view, click on the arrow. And to close your window completely, select X icon available on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!